I would like to introduce with brand of YesBD meat display freezer. ODM, OEM, customized and color various. These units are specially refrigeration units designed to maintain optimal temperatures for extended periods. Copper tube, high quality composer. 2 to 10 degrees Celsius air cooling system with digital temperature controller ensure 100% cooling circulation by ventilation system. To preserve and showcase meat products in a retail setting, ensuring they remain fresh, food safety, hygienic, health, and visually appealing to customers, prolonging shelf life and boosting sales by encouraging customer engagement and highlighting product freshness. They are essential for your butcher shops or supermarkets. Manufacturing by YesBD own factories, origin China, YesBD one-stop solution of commercial and industrial kitchen equipment.